You feel that the allegation is correct? You please explain why that people are telling.
If that allegation was correct, would I be here?
Okay.
Would I be here to perform all the last rites as per the Shastrams? No, right? If anyone commits a crime, would he be there with their family to support them more and more and do whatever he has been asked to? Yes or no? Please answer.
Okay.
Answer. Answer.
Okay, I will answer.
Yes
no
or no?
problem. Yes, yes.
Yes or no?
Be
Okay.
Would he be here?
You please cool. We,
Yes or
we
no?
treat you as
If
a
I
brother
make a
and
mistake, would I again face them?
okay.
What
If
exactly
I
said
faced
to
them,
you?
if I had
Yes,
an
yes.
issue,
You are getting paid.
so please understand at this particular point.
ఒకసారి ఆగండి, ఆగండి. ఆ ఇబ్బంది పెట్టకండి. అతను ఇబ్బంది పెట్టకండి. కొద్ది కూల్గా ఉండండి. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి. చరణ్, you be cool. You want any water? Okay, don't feel you are like.
At this particular point, all I want is some peace and quiet for my family. And at this particular point, all that I can request you guys also, which I have requested Gayatri's parents as well, to wait till the report comes from the police, and after that, whatsoever they want to do with me, I am ready to give in. Okay?
What exactly Mussoorie police said to you at the time?
I am unable to state that right now because I'm not in a position, neither in a state, to state that right now. Sorry.
మీది లవ్ మ్యారేజ్ అరేంజ్ మ్యారేజ్?
మాది arranged marriage అండి.
అరేంజ్ మ్యారేజ్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు మీ భార్య బ్యాగ్ లో జీపీఎస్ ట్రాకర్ అన్ని కూడా పెట్టాల్సిన అవసరం ఏముంది? ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళిన వీడియో కాల్
సో మీరు పెట్టారా జీపీఎస్ ట్రాకర్?
ఆ ట్రాకర్ గురించి నాకు తెలిసినంత మటుకు ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళ ఆఫీస్ లో తనకు ఆ బ్యాగ్ లో ట్రాకర్ దొరికింది. ఆ దొరికిన వెంటనే నేను నా కార్యచర్యలు వదిలేసి పూణే నుంచి నేను ట్రావెల్ చేసి హైదరాబాద్ కి వెళ్ళి నా చేతపడిన సహాయం పెద్దాల ఎల్డర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో వాళ్ళ యొక్క డెసిషన్ బేసిస్ మీద అక్కడ ఏం చెయ్యొచ్చు అన్నది చేశాము. వి ట్రై టు లాడ్జ్ అ కంప్లైంట్ యాజ్ వెల్ అండ్ ఆఫీస్ అండ్ ఎక్సెట్రా ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ థింగ్స్ కేమ్ ఇన్ టు పిక్చర్. And at the end of the day, what has happened has happened. Currently, I am just happy that she was safe till that particular point. But right now, I am really in a lot of grief that this kind of situation has occurred right now. So I hope you guys understand and leave me alone. Can you understand and leave me alone?
We will understand.
చేస్తున్నారు అని వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ చెప్పారు.
Only one last question, please. I can't take any more questions.
వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ కాదు, ఏం అడుగుతారో ఒకే ప్రశ్న అతను అడగండి. అతను మొత్తం ఒకసారి ఏంటి అడుగుదాం అనుకున్నా. ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఒకసారి వినండి. ఒకసారి సరే, ఒకసారి వినండి. మనం ఇలా అడుగుదాం. మొదట అక్కడ ఇన్సిడెంట్ ఏం జరిగింది అంటే టోటల్ ఎలిగేషన్స్ గాయత్రి భక్తులు అని కూడా చెప్పారు. అమ్మాయి మ్యారేజ్ అయినప్పుడు కూడా గాయత్రి అని ఒక అదృష్టంగా అట్లా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు. మొత్తం చెప్పండి. ఒక ఓవరాల్ గా అసలు ఏం జరిగింది? ఎక్కువ స్ట్రెయిన్ అవ్వకండి, కూల్ గా ఉండండి. మేము ఇబ్బంది మీకు పెట్టాం.
This is the last question I'm going to answer, and after that I would request you guys to leave and never to contact me. Would that be possible?
Sure.
Would you never contact me? And if anyone from media contacts me post this particular point, I'm directly going to go for police complaint till the report comes.
మీరు కూడా మీరు అడిగిన దానికి ఏదైతే ఉందో మీరు స్పష్టంగా చెప్పండి. మిమ్మల్ని ఎవరు డిస్టర్బ్
తెలుగులో చెప్పడానికి ట్రై చేయండి.
వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి ఒక ఆర్డర్ వచ్చింది, మీ దగ్గర
చిరంజీవి ఒకసారి వినండి. చరణ్, కూల్ గా ఉండండి. మీరు ఏంటంటే
16 మెంబర్స్ నా చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్నప్పుడు నేను కూల్ గా ఉండలేనండి.
ఉండాలి కూడా.
నేను ఉండడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. ఏముందండి, ఆగస్ట్ లో పరిచయం అయింది, జూలై ఆగస్ట్ లో. దానికి ముందు కామన్ ఫ్రెండ్ ద్వారా తెలుసు. మ్యారేజ్ లో కలిసాము. తర్వాత జూలై ఆగస్ట్ లో పెళ్లి చేసుకుందాం అనుకున్నాము. మా పెద్దవాళ్ళకి చెప్పాము. పెద్దవాళ్ళు పెళ్లి చేసుకొని వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు ఇక్కడికి. అందరూ కూర్చొని మాట్లాడుకున్నారు. అందరూ అన్ని బాగున్నాయి అన్నాక అక్టోబర్లో ఎంగేజ్మెంట్, నవంబర్లో మ్యారేజ్ అయింది. తర్వాత 1 month మేము ఢిల్లీలో ఉన్నాం కూడాను. కాకపోతే తన జాబ్ కమిట్మెంట్స్ వల్ల తను హైదరాబాద్లో, నేను పూణేలో ఉండాల్సి వచ్చేది. డిస్టెన్స్ ఉండేది. కొన్ని స్టార్టింగ్ మ్యారేజ్ స్టార్టింగ్లో ఉంటే మిస్అండర్స్టాండింగ్స్ చిన్న చిత్కా ఉండేవి, తూతూ మేమేలు ఉండేవి. బట్ ఓసారి అవన్నీ రిజాల్వ్ చేసుకున్నాం. మేము కలిసికట్టుగా ఉన్నాము. ఫిబ్రవరి అయ్యింది, తను ఢిల్లీ వచ్చింది. దాని తర్వాత మా డాడీ బర్త్డే అనేసి మేము ఢిల్లీ వెళ్ళాము. మేము చక్కగా బయటికి కూడా తిరగడానికి వెళ్ళాము. వీ వర్ సో హ్యాపీ కపుల్ at that particular point, and we were at that particular point we were trying to get a family together, and we were trying to expand our family, do the marriage things. And June వచ్చేసరికి ఇంకా I was supposed to be in a state where I could work from home freely, and I was moving back to Delhi. And at that particular point, when I went back to Delhi, she said ki Ashadha Masam etc. and I would move back to my home. So shall we go on a trip? I said definitely yes. We went on a trip before weekend itself, a short trip, one nighter. And then the second time we were like, okay, now let's have a 3-day trip. It was my birthday as well. So we started on 13th from Delhi to Rishikesh. It was quite late, so we could not do anything on that day. Then we on 14th we did a few activities. Initially we went to Ganga, we sprinkled some water, did some namaste, and we had a breakfast, and then we went to river rafting. Post that, she requested that we go for bungee jumping, and we went for bungee jumping as well. And post that we had some food in some cafe, and then we started to move back to Mussoorie. And as soon as we reached Mussoorie at somewhere around 11:30 at night on 14th of June, and we stayed there the night. We slept at around 3:30 or something, and when I woke up, she was lying on me with blood in her nose, and that was somewhere around 6:30 in the morning, 15th May, so 15th June. And as soon as I checked her out, I checked her up that if she's fine, but she was not responding. So I flipped her over, sat her up, and tried to wake her up by hitting on her back or something like that, rubbed her back, etc. And there was no motion in her. And as soon as I tried to grab her up, she started slipping off the bed and she fell down. And I again checked down if there was any motion kind of, and I tried calling ambulance as such. And as soon as I tried calling ambulance and police as well, because ambulance number was not out. The hotel staff came up, and they also tried calling the ambulance. And as soon as the ambulance person came, he tried giving CPR to her, but it was of no use, and it was declared not well, and it was declared that she was dead. So initially when the ambulance guy came as well, I was along with him, the home guard also came over there, and I did not allow the home guard to enter the premises. Ambulance guy is a paramedic, he has all the rights to, but a home guard was not allowed by me to enter inside because I had to cover her up. So I first covered her up, and only then the ambulance guy and home guard entered inside, and they did all the ambulance guy did the CPR part. The home guard stayed inside for a while, and then all of us had to come out. And then the senior police officials, along with their field forensic team, came down. They took my statement, and then they analyzed the entire surroundings, and they took all the samples, etc. Post that, as per the procedure, everything has went up. I had informed my parents, their parents, and their parents came up. My parents came up as well, and the next day, postmortem and everything happened. But we are still waiting for the reports, etc. And the reports have to come for us to understand what the cause of death was, and that is along with that, the rest of the entire summary of the case will be coming to you guys. It will be public very soon, as soon as the government of Uttarakhand, the police of Uttarakhand will avail that. And that is everything that I can provide to you right now. Is there anything else that you would want to ask?
మరి ఇంతలా ఉంటే వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్
Sorry?
Previously any
Not much as I know of.
మీరు అనుమానం వ్యక్తం చేయడం, ఒక సైకోలా బిహేవ్ చేయడం, ఇలా చెప్పి అంతలా ఎందుకు?
మీరు ఇంత హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నప్పుడు అసలు దీనికి సంబంధించి మీరు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంటున్నారని చెప్పిన తర్వాత కూడా.
One question please.
ఓకే, దీని అంతరికి ఒకటే ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి, పర్వాలేదు.
See, okay, answer చెప్తాను. If we were not happy, would we go on a trip? Would we? No, right?
అన్నాక ఆటోమేటిక్ గా వెళ్తారు కదా.
Exactly.
భార్య భర్తలు అన్నాక ఆటోమేటిక్ గా వీటికి వెళ్ళి ఉంటారు కదా.
హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నప్పుడే కదా ఇంటికి వెళ్తాం.
ఓకే.
So that clears all of your questions.
Okay, nice.
Now, their parents and us, we are in great grievances right now. You guys should be sorry of what has happened to her and to all of us as family. She was a single child for her family. They lost her. 27-year-old Anubandham Valladi. Would they be would they be if they were not that way, that would be the questionable thing, but they are doing what they have to in the form of grief. That is everything I can say at this particular point. They are grieved, and I am grieved as well. If you understand this thing as a part of media, it would be really helpful for us, and it would be really grateful for everyone to let us alone and let us finish all the formalities, wait for the police to give their information, and only then take any formal or any kind of a decision whatsoever is going on in the media. I am not even aware of what's going on in the media, but as far as I've heard it from the people, it is really turning out to be uglier and ugliest, because they are putting out fake news out there. Not I don't know which news channels, but many news channels have put out a lot of fake news. Please stop it, because you are harassing the reputation of not only 2 families but approximately 3 villages. She was the daughter of 3 villages. She was loved by a lot of people. She was loved by me. I could do whatsoever I did whatsoever she asked for, ever and ever, and that's how I wanted to live my life with her. I loved her that much. Everyone loved her that much. Her loss is a very big shocker for all of us. I hope you guys understand that.
కిరణ్ గారు ఒకసారి
Inka, I can't take any other questions. I'm sorry.
ఒకసారి ఆవిడ చెప్పింది
I'm
కదా,
sorry, sir.
మీరు చెప్పింది కదా, మీ గురించి చెప్పారు కొన్ని.
ఆడపిల్లలు అలాగే ఉంటారని ఎప్పుడు అనుకోకూడదు. అది ఎప్పటి చాలా హార్ష్గా అలాంటి చేయకూడదండి. నాకు అనుమానం
అత్తగారు
We loved her. I loved her, my wife Gayatri, so much. She loved me so much. We used to play along. We used to play up. And one of the things she used to like is she used to say कि यार तेरे हाथ तो बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है, मैं इस पे नेल पेंट लगाऊं क्या? और ऐसा करके नेल पेंट. I have not taken this thing off. This is hers. मैं ये सब पता क्यों लेके चल रहा हूँ? क्योंकि मुझे आज भी लगता है कि वो मेरे साथ ही है. इतना प्यार करते थे अब एक दूसरे को. ये उनकी जो मेरे जो इन-लॉज हैं, they are aggrieved, a lot aggrieved, and we all understand that. And with those things going on, anything and everything can be blamed, and they are right in doing so at their part as well, because they are sad. And as a good son-in-law, or for that matter as a good son for their family now, I am their son now. अगर उनको कुछ भी चाहिए, वो कुछ भी करना चाहते हैं, वो मेरे साथ कर सकते हैं. उनको वो लिबर्टी है.
సార్
ठीक है.
అరే నైట్